Hello there, I hope you're well. I'm out with oldest friend and we've been playing with a catapult and I've had this hankering to have a go at making one. So I've been off, there's quite a bit of good green wood around the edge of where we're camped here, and I've come back with this, which I've sawn off. And I was looking at that as a nice like V shape, and then as I was looking at the wood, there's also another one here, so there's potential to make a couple out of this, or maybe even a thin springy one as well, because that's got quite a bit of give in it. So let's have a go. So I have got various tools here. Well, I say tools, it's mostly knives. I've got my mossy oak saw, a Moranif, I think that's the Gerber, I think that's what it's called. Then there's the Eldreis, the little Eldreis. I've got my Camillus Black River, and then a Mora Companion. So we should be able to whittle something out of this. Oldest friend and I have been looking at this bit of wood and we think that might be alright, but that just might need thinning out a bit, and there's a couple of other bits on here as well, so I'm going to cut them off and then we'll have a look and see what they actually look like. Yeah, I'm not sure whether this is the right thing to be doing while drinking battle axe. There's one, piece one. Then I think the next one we'll try will be this one here. Okay, so that's two potentials. And then I was wondering whether that might make quite a whippy, springy one. Give it a go, eh? Right, so we've got these three bits. So that one's quite a thick, chunky one. This one, which is a little bit slimmer, and then this one, which is a bit slimmer still. It has actually split a bit down there, but I think it'll be all right. So I'm just going to tidy these up a little bit using the knives. And I'm actually thinking the best knife for some of this might be this little Mora Eldreis, just for getting some of this bark off. I've used the little Mora Eldreis, and it's worked a treat actually, just for cleaning up all the little knots and making these smoother to hold. So now what I need is a little saw just to cut some grooves into here, into which to slide the elastics. I don't know whether you can hear that thudding in the background, but oldest friend is rapidly shooting at the target in the hope of hitting it, because he's just hit 3 for 3 and now he's just sort of like he's falling at the hurdle.
It's not.
And now that we're recording, he's just missing every one.
Yeah.
Ah well, happened. No, we can't say that. And of course the great thing about doing all this outdoors is having to do everything freehand. But that's the fun, eh? Yeah. Right, I think that should do it. Let's give the first one a go. So I've got these elastics which I bought on Amazon, and what I was thinking is feed that through, tie it off on the other side in a knot, do the same thing on the other side, hopefully it'll be roughly even, and see how that works out. This might actually work. Now in principle that looks like it's going to work. Let's see how it fares in practice, eh? You're not going to come back, which is the main thing. This is what we're actually aiming at, so that's what you heard ring. So Homemade Catapult V1, bit of success. I'll have a go with the other ones and then see what they're like. Ow! Oh,
Yeah, no.
Oh, it's still up. Yeah! Well, I have to say, this has worked out a kind of resounding success. So I've made 3 catapults. There's the slim one, and they're all working. Slightly thicker one, and then a really thick solid one. And I'm really chuffed with these, just as a bit of a fun project. So all I've done is I've taken a V-shaped bit of wood, cut some grooves in. Hey, Ainsley's hitting targets.
Finally.
Tied off the elastics in there. And then you've got yourself a nice little slingshot slash catapult. I've done exactly the same on each one. I thought I might actually have to reinforce these in some way, but to be honest with you, with it being green wood, there's no need really. They're solid enough, and these elastics aren't so strong that they round one, come out fighting. They aren't so strong that they're going to snap the wood. So yeah, these are actually, even this really skinny one, when you pull the elastic back, it's not putting undue strain on here at all to make me worried. The only thing I might do is add some kind of like tape for the handle or something like that, just to stop my hands from going green. But yeah, quite chuffed with that. What do you think? If you like it, let me know in the comments. If you don't like it, tell me it's crap in the comments. And give the video a dislike. And if you like what I'm doing, you know what to do all that stuff, subscribe to the channel, blah blah blah. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. You take care.
Oh,
Did you hear that? He missed.
I did, but I've got to try again. Hey cow. I've got it in the wrong hole. Wrong word.
That's what she said.
Gong.
We got there in the end.
We did.
Thank God I didn't have to sort of like make it look like it had taken absolutely ages in the whole way that videos are edited. Right, he's arming up. He's making it look a lot more difficult than I did, to be fair.
To be fair, to be sure. I'm just used to that one, you see, so because it's a bit thinner on the old... Oh, crikey. Yeah. It is weird, is that?
He's going again.
I think I prefer this.
He likes the toy one.
Yeah. Why? Which do you prefer?
Don't know yet. Not that he's any better with it.
Well, it's because I was used to. I don't know. Oh, right next to it.